The trend lines help define a clear direction of price movement, as well as the corridor within which the price fluctuates at the moment. Trend lines are built with the help of graphical analysis tools. The support line is a level from which the price usually bounces up. The resistance line is a level from which the price usually bounces down. There are three types of trends: upward, downward, and neutral. Most traders combine the levels of maximums and minimums to receive the trend corridor, which allows you to analyze the price dynamics of the market.